How to set up a kids profile lock on Netflix. To enable a kids profile lock, you want to simply open your Netflix account on web browser, and on your browser you want to simply go to your account, tap on your username and tap on account settings. Once you're inside the account settings, you want to simply scroll down and navigate yourself to the profile and parental controls, and inside that parental controls section you'll be able to see an option called kids profile. You want to tap on kids profile, tap on profile lock inside it and tap on. After that it'll ask for your main account's password to verify your identity. After verifying your identity, you need to require a PIN to access your profile. Type in your desired 4-digit PIN code and tap on save. By doing so, the next time you open a lock icon will now appear underneath the kids profile on your profile selection screen across all the devices. The profile cannot be opened unless the correct 4-digit PIN is entered. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.